Today, I'm going to show you a simple yet eye-catching trick. How to turn your rectangular webcam feed into a clean, professional-looking circle in OBS Studio. If you've ever wanted that sleek, rounded webcam look for your streams, meetings, or recordings, something that stands out and gives your project a modern edge, this is the tutorial for you. By the end, you'll have your own circular webcam setup, ready to impress your viewers. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open up your OBS Studio and make sure your webcam is properly added as a source in your scene. Typically, you'll see it labeled something like Video Capture Device in the Sources panel. This is where all the magic is going to happen. The goal here is to crop your webcam feed so that only a circular area is displayed. And to do that, we'll be using something called an image mask filter. Think of this filter as a stencil you lay over your webcam. It lets you decide exactly what shape you want the feed to display. Start by selecting your webcam source in the Sources panel. Click on it once, just like picking out a photo frame before you put a picture inside. Now, right-click the source and a menu will pop up. Choose Filters from this menu. Filters in OBS are like layers or effects you can add on top of your video, and they're really flexible for stuff like this. Once you see the Filters for Webcam Name window appear, look down under Effect Filters. There'll be a small plus icon. Go ahead and click it. This brings up a list of all the different effect filters you can apply. We're going to select Image Mask Blend. Don't worry if you haven't used this feature before, it's pretty straightforward. Click OK to confirm. Alright, now it's time to configure the filter. And this part is key. Here, you'll be choosing what kind of mask to apply and linking the circle mask you've prepared earlier. First up is the type selection. You've got two main options here, Alpha Mask, Color Channel, or Alpha Mask, Alpha Channel. If your mask image is a PNG file with transparency, like most circle masks, I recommend using Alpha Mask, Alpha Channel. This ensures only the circle area of your webcam is visible and everything else gets cleanly cropped out. If you're using a different kind of image mask, you might opt for the Color Channel instead. Just take a moment to match your mask type to your image. Don't rush this step. Even experienced streamers double-check it. Next, head to the Path option, hit Browse, and navigate to the spot on your computer where you saved your circle mask image file. It should be a PNG image, shaped like a circle with transparent space around it. Select the image and confirm your choice. Now, this is a good spot to pause for a moment. Sometimes OBS needs a few seconds to apply the effect, especially if your computer is juggling a lot of tasks. If your webcam doesn't look circular right away, don't worry. Check that you picked the right mask type and mask image file. Once everything's set, click Close on the filter window. Jump back to the OBS main preview, and you'll see your webcam feed has instantly transformed into a perfect circle, just like you see on pro streams or those polished YouTube channels. At this point, you can resize and move your new circular webcam exactly as you would any other source. Maybe tuck it in the corner, make it the centerpiece, or layer it with overlays. The possibilities are endless. And there you have it. You now know how to make your webcam circular in OBS Studio, a subtle tweak that seriously boosts your stream quality and visual appeal. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more hands-on tutorials. Drop any questions down in the comments. I'm always happy to help out or clarify anything. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.